Hey, hi Sugata. Thank you. Now we are meeting almost after 1 year. This is we are.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, of course.
But we keep on chatting and on everything you discuss with your family or somewhere. Now, happy you're settled in Poland. All good.
Yeah, yeah, all good actually. We are happy to be here.
So,
The climate is good,
mhm.
uh, and our health also good. So we are happy.
I'm very happy to hear that. Now I remember when you came, you were having a issue. You came to me with the issue of allergies, sneezing problem,
Yes,
and menstrual pain and all. Right? In that you
yes,
have in suddenly after 1 month or 2 months there was a thyroid also came the numbers and all. Yeah,
yes, yes,
I remember you came only for this allergic issue. Now we are
yes.
doing the program. Already you gave me the testimony. I want to check how you are feeling now. How is the allergies and all? Just please share. Let us know that. Mm.
Allergies actually. Um, yeah. Before joining, when I heard about Visage, also I was in a very bad situation with allergy. Every day morning was like a snoozing, and become worse. Actually, my breathing issue also. Breathing difficulties are there, so it's become very worse actually. So after I joined Visage, yeah, and I learned a lot of things from that, and I've applied in my life all the only the natural remedies, no medicine actually. Now it's almost like more than 1 year actually. I'm not taking any pills like for these things. I don't know. After 2 months itself, I recovered. Like I started feeling like the snoozing has stopped in the morning, and I don't have that breathing issue. Like every month I was getting the breathing issue, and I was going to hospital to get immediate relief. But
Mm.
after 2 months itself, I feel like there is no issue. Breathing issues not there. Sneezing also completely stopped. Now I don't have that issue. You also know, right? Right? I was telling like I was carrying a tissue paper or weeks along with me whenever I go. Those things along. Every time it's with me actually till sleeping also. Now I don't have this. I'm not worrying about those things. I don't need wigs. I don't need tissue paper. Like no, I don't have that. All this. I am really happy. Like I was recovered with the natural remedies, and I changed my lifestyle because I didn't know that the fruits, the vegetables, all those things will have this much impact on our bodies.
Mm.
Uh, I'm really happy for that. Actually, I learned a lot of things.
And Sugata, I remember you have the allergic list, right? You have almost in the list is almost more than 1200 things you are not supposed to eat. Even the doctor has told you not to eat ginger, if I'm not wrong.
Ginger, garlic,
Garlic.
all those things was allergic to me.
But how now?
But yeah, actually, with those things only that whenever I'm getting some throat issues or fever, I was taking the ginger that decoction, so which give me an immediate relief. Actually, even if the fever, I'm getting a fever, I'm not taking any pills. Actually, I was going with this solution you teach
Even
me, like
decoction I
the
get.
ginger, yeah, grambu, then the cinnamon one. I was boiling that water. I was taking like a morning and evening, 2 3 days I was taking, but it will take some time to heal it. But
Mm.
we need to give a patience to that. We don't need any tablet. That was I feel, because it's not getting worse actually, because immediately whenever I'm feeling like I have an throat pain or body pain is coming, then
Mm.
immediately I will start this taking this solution, maybe the turmeric solution. So I was taking that, so it won't get worse actually, so
So
I
you
can
don't,
control with this itself.
so you don't believe, right? There is you cannot be allergic to any food which we eat. You don't believe
Yes,
that, right? Yeah,
yes,
it's
of course.
yeah. So that's why I said I told you that the ginger which you have garlic that will only cure you, and that is you had proved. Now, do you think managing this healthy lifestyle is a difficult? How you think?
It depends on people actually.
For you, for you.
Even for me also, like sometimes I will feel like cutting vegetables or cutting fruits will be like sometimes.
Hmm.
But even I couldn't take it in the morning. I will take it in the 11 a.m. or something, or 4 p.m. or something. I will definitely take. and I won't take after 7 p.m. Definitely, I will have one banana, one apple, or orange, whatever. Definitely, I will try to eat it. So,
That's good. That's good. So, do you think this is generical? Do you think you are scared? I was having allergic. My son will also get this. Do you think that way now?
no, definitely. If he eating healthy food, definitely he won't get it.
I remember
Because he told me there will be a lot of toxin in my body that was causing all this issue. Definitely after having all these things, I feel it in my body, it's removed through this naturally, and I was feeling very healthy. I feel he is also having. I know I'm giving a lot of fruits to him. He's also having that.
I do remember when you said, right, madam, I was a little scared. I thought it's a genetical. I'm scared that my son will also get. So I told it's not a genetical. So do you believe the disease they come genetical or with the lifestyle? What you want to say here?
I think it's a lifestyle only, definitely, because for me also this allergic issue started after my 22 years when I started jog, because every day I was going by bus and train, and this dust, all those things coming from there, it started actually. So it's not from, I feel like that.
Not a
It's
genetical.
yes.
Yes, now I think I done with all the questions. So, any suggestion or you want to give anything to the people who are you had a thyroid issue also. That is also issue. I know you came for this allergic, but you had some thyroid problem also. That is also.
I count increased little bit. After that, I stopped. Some of the vegetables I stopped, like broccoli, for a little bit long. But after even you told me right how to eat, I drink a lot of green juice, and also I started drinking those things. Then it's become reduced. I saw that in my blood result.
So what do you suggest for the people who think the thyroid, diabetes, high blood pressure, cholesterol, they think this is genetical, it cannot be reversed, they have to depend on the medications. Do you believe that, or what message you want to give for the people who are suffering with these lifestyle diseases?
Definitely go with plan life, have eat healthy food, have lot of fruits and vegetables in their diet, take the yoga or any activities like walking or cycling, do some exercise in their life, and do a proper life plan, manage, plan the things in a day, go with that. Definitely, they can recover this.
Yeah. Thank you, Sugata. I'm really, again, I would like to thank you coming for the second time and giving your review, how you are feeling comfortable, and
I'm really thankful to Bisajya and ma'am. Really thankful because I never thought I can I can, because I was taking medicines for a long time. I never thought without medicine I cannot survive with this breathing issues, snoozing. Definitely, I'm really happy to be joined, to be part of this family and recovered.
And one more thing, I always say you will be your own doctor. Do you feel you become your own doctor for your husband, your son, for the small issues?
Oh, of course, I was I was given this ginger. I know the solution whenever my son is starting some issues. I was giving this solutions because I am putting some jaggeries and all, so it will be like sweet. So he will drink it. I was giving the turmeric solution to everyone. I was telling take at least monthly once or monthly. I'll give this solution to them also.
So your kitchen has become your pharmacy. You agree with that? Your kitchen has become a pharmacy. Yeah, your kitchen has become medical store for you. No need to go and buy this medicines, but you should take some things from the kitchen, make a home remedies is done. Oh, yes, you are your own doctor for a family. Good. Thank you, Sugata. Again, I would like to thank you for coming second time and giving your sharing your wonderful experience. I'm very happy for you, and you are the part of our researcher family. So all the best, and All the best for your second inning, which you are planning.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'll be helping in that if it's okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
sure.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank